Welcome back to part 2 bike repair on everything home repair. So now you need to get yourself a bike pump to take the inner tube out. So if you want to know what a really junky pump is, you should get yourself a Bell Air Attack 500. I can guarantee you it will be a pure piece of junk. So now, on that note, let's get going. So you'll want to take your cap off the wheel, these just unscrew, and then go over to your tool selection and grab a small screwdriver. Now if you have a flat, you may not need to take out much air, but what you do is just release all the air. And just let it all drain out. Then when your tire is squishy, you take your screwdriver, or if you have a special tool, you're recommended to use a tool. Just get under this tire and pry it out. Then you will want to take another screwdriver and keep prying it out until this thing starts to come unlatched from the rim. Once you got it going, this is pretty easy. You just work your way around the tire. This is going to be the procedure for almost all bikes. Okay, when you're done with that, then once you're done with removing it and you have only one side undone, you can pull back on the valve and pull it out past. Then, if you deflated it enough, you should be able to take your inner tube out. Okay, thank you for watching part 2 of bike repair on everything home repair.